play! Hola, Boots! I'm so happy to see you, buddy!
Dora, it's terrible! Backpack and map, they're missing!
It'll be okay, Boots. We'll find them. Where did you last see them?
In the rainforest!
Don't worry, mi amigo. Let's go to the rainforest and find our friends. Vámonos! We need to pick up my friends so we can all go to the rainforest. We already have 2 amigos in the bus, Boots and me. Uno, dos. Let's keep counting and collect all 9 friends. Use the up and down arrow keys on your keyboard to move the bus. Use the up and down arrow keys on your keyboard to move the bus. Muy bien! When you see a friend, move the bus over to pick him or her up. When you see a friend, move the bus over to pick this. Fantástico! Vamos! Off to the rainforest! Move to a different lane when there's something in our way. Drive over rainbows for a super speed boost. 4. Try to go around it next time. Yeah! 5. Fantástico! 6. Muy bien. 7. Careful. Cuidado. Excelente. 8. 9. Isa and Bud. That's 2 friends. We picked up mis amigos and made it to the rainforest. Excelente. Now let's all work together to find map and backpack. Todos juntos. Ahí está! There's Map!
The big wind is blowing him away!
We've got to save him!
We need to grab Map before the big wind blows him away! Click on Map to save him! Whoops, that isn't Map! Whoops, that isn't Map! You caught him! Gracias!
Ahí está! There's Backpack at the top of that mountain! We have to take Benny's balloon to get up to her, but there's only room in it for 2. Come on, Boots!
Oh no! Backpack is falling!
We've got to rescue her and get back all her stuff! I've got the perfect charm to help us! A condor! Say, Condor Mágico! Help me fly the condor down to Backpack! Use the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard to help move me side to side. Muy bien! When you see something that fell out of Backpack, move us over to pick it up. We got it! All right! Vamos a volar! Let's fly! Fly around branches and rocks in our way. They'll slow us down. We got it! Whee! Gotcha! Grab magical magnets to help us collect more of Backpack's stuff. Try to go around it next time. We got it! Gotcha! We got it! Fly us over to Backpack to save her! We got her! Muchas gracias!
Is Backpack going to be okay?
Claro! Kate can fix her! With our help!
Let's help Kate fix Backpack! Click along the tear in Backpack to sew her up. backpack looks better than ever. Thanks for helping. Only one more thing left to do. Let's help place Spud onto backpack so he can come on all Dora's adventures. It's his dream come true. Click on Bud, then click again to place him on backpack. Great work!
We did it! We rescued Backpack and Matt. We couldn't have done it without your help. Gracias.
Thank you!
Click play again to play with us again.